Okay, so we have the outboard mounted tie-down hooks. I added those quick clips through the circle of the tie-down strap, so they're semi-permanently attached. You don't have to worry about them falling off when you push the motorcycle up and grab it to hook on. Anyway, there you go. And we happen to have a very nice KTM on my garage lift, the Duke. Very nice machine, lots of ground clearance. Liquid cooled. Nice little computer. And now our lift is equipped with outboard tie downs instead of just the inner ones that keep it pulled forward. This one will act, these outboard ones will act as a safety restraint to keep the bike from tipping over. There you have it.